how are you? I'm missing you so much. It's a new week and the weather outside is nice and we want to do some adventures this week. Go outside, find things, see how nature is coming. So I have a story for you about a nice dog that went to play outside, and I have a game, but first let's sing. Good morning to you, and how do you do? Good morning, dear Red Room. Good morning to you. Today I have a book about Charlie. He's a really sweet dog that lives in a farm. Charlie, the ranch dog. Charlie's new friend. Look at him, all snuggled up. Bam! A bright light hit my face. I cover my eyes with my floppy ears. Oh, it's just the sun. Wait, what? The sun? Yesterday was cold and rainy, so was the day before. I didn't get any ranch work done. Today will be extra busy. Where's my bacon breakfast? I better find Mama. Look at him, eating his breakfast. Where is his breakfast? Let's see. I spot Mama in the garden. The grass is warm on my paws. Flowers. Look at the beautiful flowers. Wait, is that a bird? A squirrel? I chase him up the tree. See, the squirrel. Wait, is that a rabbit? Ooh, chasing rabbits is the best. Mama doesn't see the rabbit hopping. She's digging up carrots. But I know what Mr. Rabbit is up to. I howl and take a giant running leap. The rabbit is fast. Look what he's doing. Where's the rabbit? What does he have in his mouth? He took a carrot. The rabbit is fast. He grabs a carrot and jumped right over my head. Oh, I don't think so, Mr. Rabbit. I'm the boss of this ranch. No one steals from Mama and gets away. No one steals from Mama and gets away with that. The chase is on. Hoof, hoof. My short legs weren't made for this. You can hop, but you can hide. Where did Mr. Rabbit go? He's gone. Did Mr. Rabbit go down this hall? When will he come out? I guess I'll have to wait. The sun feels so warm on my fur. Maybe I'll lie down and rest, just for 1 second. Ouch! Rabbit feet smack my back. He's hopping, munching. I'll never catch him. Who invented chasing rabbits anyway? Chasing rabbits is the worst. Why can't we just be friends? Oh, it's because he's the carrot thief. Grrr. My stomach rumbled. I forgot to eat breakfast. This is all Mr. Rabbit's fault. I'm so hungry. Wait, hold on. I have an idea. No one is in the garden. I sniff until I find a ripe carrot. I dig it up with my front paws. Yoo-hoo! Mr. Rabbit! Are you home? No answer. I'll have to wait again. Nap time. My nose wake me up. Mr. Rabbit! He can't escape down his hole. I'm lying on top of it. He looks around everywhere and wiggles his pink nose. Mr. Rabbit is shaking all over. The carrot is in my mouth. I stand and smile my biggest smile so he won't be afraid. I take one step forward and zoom! Mr. Rabbit is going in flash, back down his rabbit hole. The next day I guard the garden. Mr. Rabbit stays away all morning. At noon I bring him a carrot lunch. I don't wait this time. After a yummy bacon dinner, I head across the pasture. There is no sign of the carrot. Look, he ate the carrot. First, he put the carrot next to his hole, and when he comes back, no carrot. Mr. Rabbit poked his head up. If you stop taking carrots without asking, I said, I will share them with you. Mr. Rabbit offers me a nibble of carrot. Ooh, yuck. I'm so happy to be a bacon-eating ranch dog instead of a carrot-eating rabbit. The end. So Charlie had all these adventures, and I want to offer some adventures to you. So I send you to bingo, nature bingos. And next time when you go out either to your backyard or to the park, take this with you. So the first one is smaller, and it has all kind of things you can find outside in nature. Flowers, grass, sticks, leaves, and you will need to find as much as you can from the bingo. So you can make a bingo. You can use stickers, or you can bring a pencil or a pen and sign everything you find. You can even bring a little basket and collect this stuff. So this is easier. Then we're going to do it a little bit harder. This time you don't have to collect them because there are a few things you can collect. But look, we have like clouds. If you can see clouds outside, or a tree, or flowers, the sky, bushes, branches, a fence, maybe a fruit tree, or a bird, a sign, little ant. What else do we have? A bench, a butterfly, maybe sprouting plants if someone has sprouted, or bees flying in the air. Maybe you can find a spider or even a spider web. So go out and explore and tell me how much you found. Do you have a full bingo or do you have a line? How many things you found from our bingo board? I'm really curious to hear. So tell me, okay? Have fun, bye. Bye.